Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and watching CGHOW video. Today I create this teleport effect using UE5 Niagara and sequencer, and I'll create this from scratch so you can understand better. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share and comment, and let's start this. So I have this folder teleport and I have already downloaded this animation, this jump animation and this happy idle. I'll show you in my engine how it looks, this happy and jump. So let's quickly import that. I'll create a folder jump and one more idle. First I'll import that idle from my download, import all. So I have imported this. You can see this is my happy idle, and then I will import the jump, and this is my jump. Okay, so I'll go back and let's create a level, this basic one, and control L to change the light. Actually I like to just make this black, and then I will create another light and just make like 0.1 2 and and make this bigger. Okay, and the light I will make the movable, and then here I right click and create a sequence, level sequence, double click, or you can drag it here also. If you want to play from here, need to click here, auto play. And now in this sequencer, first I'll drag my idle. Okay, this is my idle, and we need to choose the animation, and I'll drag it here. Okay, and then I need that second character, this jump, and drag this here, and also take that jump animation, and I'll move that maybe here also like this, and this jump